Hello everyone, I'm Thulani Mchikwa, the Mathematics Facilitator at MSI. Let us look at counting principle. In this video, we are focusing on the identical items. Question 3. 3 mathematics books and 5 science books are to be arranged on a shelf. 3.1. In how many ways can these books be arranged if they are treated as separate books? So 3.1, we say that all books are different. Then therefore, how many books do we have on the shelf? We are having 8 books and we are just arranging 8 books on the shelf. Then therefore, how many ways to arrange 8 items? Then therefore, this gives us to arrange 8 items on a row. Then this gives us 8 factorial ways. This gives us 8 factorial ways. Then 8 factorial becomes is 40,320. All right, that was 3.1. 3.2, question 3.2. In how many ways can these books be arranged? If they are treated as identical books. Now, meaning that if we have 3 mathematics books, if we have successful Oxford books, they are Oxford books. If they are platinum books, therefore they are platinum books. Then coming to science, then for science, if we have Brink and Jones, all of them, they are Brink and Jones. So all books are treated of the same subject are treated as identical. Then therefore now the first question we ask ourselves, how many books do we have to arrange on a row? We are having 8. Then therefore this becomes 8 factorial ways. Now remember that some of the books are identical. The 3 maths books are identical. Then therefore we divide by 3 factorial. Then we also have science books, 5 science books that are identical. Then below we multiply by 5 factorial ways, and then this becomes 56 arrangements in total when the books of the same subject are treated as identical books. Thank you so much.